Hello everybody, this is Mr. Rojan making a cello video for you today. Today we're going to be working on a left-hand piece, one that doesn't use the bow. We're just going to pluck it a little bit. It's Twinkle. Eventually it will use the bow, but what we need to do first is make sure that the left hand is organized and that we're getting a pretty good sound in the cello with the left hand and plucking. Otherwise, when we get to the bow, I think it'll be really frustrating for you. So we're going to go step by step. Learning Twinkle is a lot of fun. Being able to play it is a lot of fun. We can do a lot with it, and it really brings you to a whole new level of cello playing. So I have Twinkle behind me, and I'm going to kind of sing it through. Maybe you want to do it with me. Okay, we're going to just say by the fingers, starting there on the D. Okay, 1, 2, ready, go. D, D, A, 1, 1, A, 4, 4, 3, 3, 1, 1, D. And actually I think it looks probably backwards in the video. I think the way I held the camera, sorry. Once you get that, I want you to find out which notes are on the D string and which notes are on the A string. So, the version I just had for you and that I've given to you is color-coded with the red and the blue. So we make our sign language C, and we set it up here at the soft spot with the thumb in the heel of the neck, and we slide back. Now I don't have tapes here, but I really know where my fingers are. And on the A string, I have 1 on the red tape, 2, 3 on the white tape, and 4 on the blue tape, with my bunny cave and my bunny mansion right here. Okay, lots of space right there. You can see that the thumb is halfway around the neck, not all the way around, and it's very soft. I can do a couple thumb taps. Tap with me. Okay, so I'm actually going to start on the second line first, the 4, 4, 3, 3, 1, 1, D. That starts on the D string, and it goes 4, 4, 3, 3, 1, and for open D we hover. See how I'm not quite down on the string, but I'm certainly not up like that. So why don't we do this together? Put down 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the D string, 4, 4, 3, 3, 1, 1, D. And we actually did learn the notes yesterday. Ready? Set it up. Once you go over here to the soft spot, slide back. Ready, go. D string, 4, 4, lift, pinky, 3, 3, lift, 1, hover D. Well, if you get that, then the beginning is easy because it goes D, D, A, 1, 1, A, just one finger down. So I'll demonstrate that for you. D, D, cross, A, 1, set, 1, 2, 3, 4, D string, 4, 4, 3, 1, open. And remember, the cello is alphabetical, so if we're on the D string, we have one finger down, that's D to E. D, E, 3 is a special note, that's F sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, and D. So you can start to really learn those notes. Maybe your mom or dad can quiz you, or you can quiz yourself. 4 on the A string is D, 1 on the A string is B, 3 on the A string is C sharp, and so on. So what we just learned is the bread of Twinkle, because Twinkle is like a sandwich. I like to say it's a cheese sandwich. We have the bread, D, D, A, 1, 1, A, 4, 4, 3, 3, 1, 1, D. Cheese, first piece, A, 4, 4, 3, 3, 1, second piece, A, 4, 4, 3, 3, 1, back to the bread, in the sandwich. D, D, A, 1, 1, A, 4, 4, 3, 3, 1, 1, D. So we learned the bread already. Now we have to learn the cheese. A, 4, 4, 3, 3, 1. Well, for this, I set up my 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I just hover over the D string because I know my first note is going to be A. Here I go. A, 4 on D, 4, 4, 3, 3, 1. Second piece of cheese, A, cross to 4, 4, 4. Lift the pinky, 3, 3, 1. Now if you practice the bread, and you really get the bread, and then you practice the cheese, and you really get 2 pieces of cheese, go ahead and make your sandwich. I'll perform the whole thing for you right now, and then feel free to rewind the video and do it with me. Watch carefully, examine the technique. I could also do it this way, but I have a feeling it won't be quite as helpful for you. Maybe it will be. Okay, here's the bread. 1, 2, 3, go. D, D, A, 1, 1, A, cross, 1, 2, 3, 4, D string, 4, 4, lift, 3, 3, lift, 1, 1, open, D, cheese, A, cross, 4, 4 on D, 3, 3, 1, second piece, A, 4, 4, 3, 3, 1, bread, D, D, A, 1, 1, A, cross, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 on D, 4 on D. Well done. I hope you really did a good job with that and get better at it all week. Have a lot of fun with it. Next step is you might try and say the names of the notes. Instead of D, D, A, A, 1, 1, you'll say D, D, A, A, B, B. Now I'll do this one more time at the other angle. Sometimes the technique gets a little complicated, so just, sometimes having a model can help. So I'll model it for you. I could even get the other angle from over here, but I don't know if it's necessary. I want you to see the thumb is halfway around the neck, and I'm just going to do the bread for you. Ready? Go. D, D, A, 1, 1, A, D string, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 1, 1, open, D. And that's the bread of Twinkle. I hope this video is helpful. I'll make another one with the little doggy bow hold for you so you can practice shaping your bow hold. See you next week.